Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix lag, stuttering, and FPS drops in the Binding of Isaac Rebirth on PC. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Settings. Open the Settings app. On the left side, click Windows Update. Now click Check for Updates. If Windows finds any available updates, download and install all of them. Once the updates are installed, restart your computer if prompted. Next, update your graphics card driver. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open the application. Click the Drivers tab. Then click Check for Updates. If a newer driver is available, download and install it. Now open Steam. Go to your library and locate the Binding of Isaac Rebirth. Right-click the game and select Properties. Click Installed Files. Then click Browse. Once the game folder opens, click the address bar and copy the folder path. Now open the Start menu and type Graphics Settings. Open Graphics Settings. Click Desktop App. Paste the folder path into the address bar and press Enter. Select isaac-ng.exe, then click Add. Before continuing, make sure Optimizations for Windowed Games is enabled. Now scroll down until you find isaac-ng.exe in the list. Click it, set the GPU preference to High Performance. Also make sure Optimizations for Windowed Games is enabled for the game. Launch the Binding of Isaac Rebirth again and test the game's performance. You should notice smoother gameplay with fewer FPS drops and less stuttering. That's all there is to it.